Hi everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to the first lecture of AM CETs. We are going to focus on CETs here, including Maharashtra MBA CET and TANCET, that is Tamil Nadu CET. Tamil Nadu CET is scheduled to happen in the month of May, and Maharashtra CET would happen in the month of June. So we have time until then to cover as much concepts as we can and carry on with the practice as well. Yeah, my name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai. We're going to start with number systems today. The aim is to cover as many concepts as we can with enough examples to help us understand them. Okay. This is my Telegram group. If you guys have not joined it yet, please use the link in the description, or you can search for Surana Live CAT. I'll be sharing the links for all upcoming sessions here. So the idea is, on YouTube, we will be doing concepts, and on special classes, these are free classes that happen on the app, we'll be doing practice for them. Yeah. So these sessions will happen Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and the special class for them will also happen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The timing for this is 4 p.m. The timing here would be from 6 p.m. Okay. We'll be doing two sessions, one at 6 p.m. so 6 to 6:45, then a 15 minutes break, and 7 to 7:45. Okay. So 7:30 to 8:15. Cool. This is the idea. This way we would be able to cover not just the concepts and examples, but also do recommended practice for these topics. Okay. We're going to start with the number system. We'll start with understanding different types of numbers, the classification. Hi Divyansh. अभी तक अगर आपका solution sheet, अगर आपका response sheet अभी तक नहीं आया है, तो it's less likely for the results to come out today. Although nothing very definite is given in the official website, but I think that's what's going to happen. So first response sheet आता है, उसके बाद results आता है. तो let's just hope for the response sheet first. Okay. So the registration for Maharashtra CET is over, guys. People who've been waiting for that registration, नहीं शायद extend किया गया है till 21st. Okay, Maharashtra CET के dates should happen in the month of June. Again, I don't think a clear date is given for that either. I can confirm it to you. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, online registration 20th तक open है. 20th April तक registration open है. But official date for the test is not yet out. Official date अभी तक out नहीं हुआ है. So it basically means should happen somewhere in the month of June, mid-June 15 something, but nothing else is told yet. I tried, you tried, but not hard enough. It's not given anywhere on the official website, so please don't believe in predictions. SparkThug, no. Registrations are also extended. Registration bhi extend ho chuka hai till 20th of April. Okay. Admit card nahi. Admit card will come, I think, 1 or 2 weeks before the test only. Yes, not this early. ठीक है. चलिए. Okay, so this is the information I wanted to give about Maharashtra MBA CET. Let's talk about Ranjit. Not yet. No information yet. So that's the thing, guys. Please don't believe in any random website giving you dates and don't get hyper about it. please always visit only the official website and wait for information there. Okay, a lot of you get anxious, you guys start panicking because you see at random websites giving you some random dates. Please understand, those are not official dates, those are tentative dates. So please don't get hyper because of them. Please only believe in the information given on the official website. Okay. Suraj, yes, outside of Maharashtra, people can give Maharashtra CET, but then they'll have a non-residential residential point being deducted from it. Okay. So test का score commonly होगा, but when you are getting selected for the course, a particular college that you select, तो वहाँ पे you will lose out some points because you are not a resident of Maharashtra. That should not stop you from taking the test. You can definitely take the test. Okay. चलिए, okay, first let's quickly start talking about even and odd numbers. We know an even number is a number that when divided by 2, कोई भी number when divided by 2 will give you 0 as a remainder, वो है even number. Odd number क्या होता है? Any number when divided by 2 will give you a remainder of 1. That is an odd number. Okay, so it is a few understanding based on the examples we'll give you. This will help you understand the properties of even and odd numbers and what happens when you apply different operations on them. Okay, so if you add or subtract two odd numbers, you always get an even number. Yeah, for example, if I subtract 19 with 3, I will get 16. This is an even number. So odd number minus odd number gives you an even number. Odd number plus an odd number will also give you an even number. 19 plus 3, 22. Okay, same way even number and even number, addition or subtraction done, will give you an even number only. Yes, you can take 16 plus 4, 20, 16 minus 4, 12. Yes, दोनों even है. But what happens when one odd number and one even number are added or subtracted? One odd number, one even number जब add या subtract करते हैं तब उसका result odd होता है. क्या? जैसे if I add 19 and 4, I get 23. This is odd, this is even, but the result is odd. Same way 19 minus 4, 15, ये भी odd है. ठीक है? Clear? Next with multiplication. What happens when you multiply odd number and odd number ko when you multiply two odd numbers, you always get an odd number. Even if one of them, at least one of them is even, the solution will be even only. Just say even into even will give you even number. Odd into even will also give you even number. Okay, clear? So a product of an odd number and an even number, let's say if I have to multiply 19 and 4, what do I get? I get 76. 76 is what? An even number. Okay, next we're going to talk about powers, exponents. So exponents में क्या होता है? Even number को कोई भी power से आप raise कर लो, you will get an even number. So if you take 4, if you raise it to the power 2, you get 16. 4 to the power 3, 64. 4 to the power anything is even except for 4 power 0. 4 to the power 0 is odd. है ना, 1 हो जाता है. 4 power 0 is odd. So this is only and only if n is not equal to 0. ठीक है, अगर आपका power 0 नहीं है तो हमेशा even solution ही आएगा, not odd solutions. Okay, same way odd number raised to any power will give you an odd number only, क्योंकि odd number खुद से multiply हो रहा है. So odd number into odd number is odd number, we know, है ना. For example, if you take 3 to the power 4, this gives you 81. 3 to the power 5, this gives you 243. These are all odd numbers only क्योंकि base आपका odd है. Clear? Even 3 to the power 0 will also give you an odd number only. ठीक है? So only in this case you have to be careful that n should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, in all cases, it will be true. Done? Now let's go to prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers, composite numbers में क्या फर्क है? Prime numbers में the number of factors, the number of terms that can divide that number. So for example, if I take a number like 15, 15 is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5, it's divisible by 15 also. Yes, these are called factors. ये factors हैं. If the number of factors f is greater than 2, yes, then it becomes composite. Okay, but if the number of factors is exactly 2, for example, if I take a number like 19, 19 is only divisible by 1 and 19. If the number of factors is exactly equal to 2, becomes prime. Okay, that is why the number 1 जो है वो neither prime nor composite है. Why? Because 1 is only divisible by 1. So the number of factors here is only 1. There's only one number that can divide 1, which is 1 itself. That is why 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, clear guys? So in this case we are going to look at a few questions. Okay, right, Suraj? Yes, Suraj, you can give, no issues, you can give Maharashtra MBA CET also, no harm with that. You can keep it as a backup. Yeah, Ranjit, no, for JBMS you don't require experience. No, if you have experience that will add as an advantage, but it's not mandatory. Okay, so let's try a few questions, guys. We have to convert 1.33 bar into a rational number. So what is a rational number? It should be of the form p by q, where p and q are both integers and q should not be equal to 0. Tirupati, yes, this is a new batch. This is a new batch for Maharashtra MBA CET and Tamil Nadu CET. Sahil says 4 by 3, beautiful. So there's a very standard way of solving this question. Let's say if x is 1.3 bar, 1.33 bar, 1.3 bar is same. What does this bar mean? It means 1.3 bar is basically what? 1.3333. This will keep recurring, non-terminating. Yes. So if x is 1.3 bar, then what will be 10x, guys? 10 times x will be how much? 10 times x will be 13.3 bar, correct? So if I subtract them both, I end up getting 9x is equal to 13 minus 1 is 12. 0.3 bar and 0.3 bar gets cancelled off, so the value is 12. X becomes 12 by 9, that's nothing but 4 by 3. Yes. Can you try this question in the same way? We need to write 4.123 where bar is till here. Okay, pura bar pe hai, 1 2 3 full is under bar. We need to write it in the form p by q. Quickly try this. .123 bar needs to be written in the form of p by q. You can use the same concept that we did. Yeah, if x is 4.123 bar, now this time what do we have? We have not 1 not 2, we have 3 decimals to be taken to the other side, right? 3 decimals, so we will find out 1000x. Because there are 3 decimals, we take up 1000x. Okay, so 1000x will be how much? 4123.123 bar again. So when we subtract this, we get 999x. 4123 minus 4 is how much? 4119.0. Yeah, so x is 4119 by 999. Superb. Suraj. Yeah, Sahil, if you reduce this, अगर आप इसे reduce करते हो, if you subtract it by 4, 4, 5, 6, 3 से होगा, this will become 333, this will become 1373, so 1373 by 333, or you can also write it as 4119 by 999 if it's not reduced. Okay, done. Now next, under prime numbers, we are going to see how to identify. Yeah, some people tell you that you have to mug up the first 100 prime numbers. You have to mug up first 100 prime numbers. You don't have to mug them up. Yeah, there's a very simple logic behind it. I'll tell you how to identify if a number is prime or not. Okay, but then the process is a little long. For example, if I want to find out if a number like 19 is prime or composite, we know that 19 is prime, है ना, हमें पता है that 19 is prime. But how do I confirm? Let's say 19 is a small number. What if I have a very big number? Yes, how do I check? So the process is very simple. What do you have to do is first find out the closest square root to 19. Closest square root to 19 is what? 4, correct? It's not equal to 4, but it's close to 4 because square root of 16 is 4. So this will be 4. All you have to do now is take prime numbers less than 4. 4 से छोटे prime numbers लो. 4 से छोटे prime numbers less than 4 will be what? 2 and 3. Yes. So if 19 is divisible by 2, you have to check if 19 is divisible by 2 and if 19 is divisible by 3. Is 19 perfectly divisible by 2? No. Is 19 perfectly divisible by 3? No. If it is not divisible, then it is prime. Understood? I'll give you another example also. Let's say we take a number like 401. Okay, we take a number like 401, or okay, let's take a smaller number like 197. Okay, we need to check if 197 is prime or not. Yeah, so what do we start with? First we start with its square root. 197, closest square root will be how much? Suraj, there is no other choice there. There is no perfect way of finding out if a number is prime or not apart from this. So you cannot expect a question that is asking you 38,927,289 is prime or not. You'll not get a question like that, because even a computer won't be able to give up to you that fast. Okay, so relax. Okay, so 197, yeah, 196 is the closest square, which is 14. All you have to do is now pick prime numbers less than 14, which will be what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Correct? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Pick them up. Now start checking if it's divisible. 197 divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? 197. 198 is divisible, not 197, so out. Divisible by 5? No. Is it divisible by 7, guys? 7. 140 निकल गया, बाकी 57 not divisible. No. 196 is divisible by 7. Yeah, so this is also out. How about 11? 11. 1 plus 7 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. We should get 0. Also directly, if you do 11 times we have 121, then you will be left with 76. It's not divisible. Yeah, 198 is divisible by 11. How about 13? Is it divisible by 13? You know 13 into 13 is 169. Yes, yeah, 13 into 10, 130 nikal lo. You will be left with 67. Is 67 divisible by 13? No. That means if it is not divisible by any of these prime numbers, automatically what happens? 197 becomes a prime number. Clear? Otherwise, there is no way in which you can find out if a number is prime or not. Yes, that's the direct rule. You cannot do anything to find out whether the number is prime or not. Okay? Clear, guys? So I have there's a property for any prime number greater than 3. For any prime number greater than 3, you can use this logic also. All prime numbers should be of the form 6k plus or minus 1. But not all numbers of the form 6k plus or minus 1 are prime. ठीक है, vice versa नहीं होगा. If a number is prime, obviously, which is greater than 3, okay, then it will satisfy the form 6k plus or minus 1. What does this mean? Let's say if I take a number like 23. Is 23 prime? Yes, it is. I know it is prime. So 23 can be written as 6 into 4 minus 1. Understood? 6 into 4 minus 1. So all prime numbers greater than 3 can be written in this form. 6 into some number plus or minus 1. For example, 5 or for example 7. Yes, 7 or 37 also. 37 क्या है? 6 into 6 plus 1. So any prime number, if a number is already prime, it can be written in this form 6k plus or minus 1. Okay. Composite numbers we already saw. Composite numbers mein number of factors would be greater than 2. If more than 2 numbers can divide a number, it is composite. Okay. First, let's try a couple of examples here. Can you try the first one? Check if 43 is prime or not, guys. Is 43 a prime number or not? Yes or no? Is it prime or no? It is prime. Yes. So what is the concept? 43 तो छोटा number है, आप पता कर सकते हो. But if you can't, then what do you do? Take the number, go for the closest square root. Yes. 49 is closest. Yeah, 36, 49, anything you can take. So 36 if you take, you check with 6. So all the prime numbers less than 6, which is what? 2, 3 and 5. Is the number divisible by 2? No, it is odd, not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? No. Is it divisible by 5? No. That means it is prime. So 43 is a prime number. Easy. Can you try with 151, guys? Quickly try with 151. Is 151 a prime number? Yes. So what do you do? Square root. Closest will be what? 12 square 144, 13 square 169. Even if you take 13, all the prime numbers less than 13, which is what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Just check if it is divisible by these numbers. It's not even, so not 2. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7, not 3, not divisible by 5. How about 7? Is it divisible by 7? 140 plus 11. No. Is it divisible by 11? 121 plus 30. No. That means this is prime. Can you try with 187? Jaldi se. Quickly try 187. Is it prime or no? $187 is not prime. Okay, let's quickly check. So 187, closest we can say 196 again. So 14. What are the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Yes, the number is not even. 1 plus 8 plus 7 is 16. No, not divisible by 5. With 7, 140 plus 47. No. With 11, yes. And it is divisible by 11. Correct? 187 is divisible by 11. How? From 187, if you remove 99, then you'll be left with 88. 99 plus 88, it is divisible by 11. Since it's divisible by 11, this is not prime. If it is not prime and it is not 1 or 0, then it has to be composite. Done? Quickly check with 299, guys. Hurry up. 299. Bindu says 299 is also composite. Okay. How about others? $299 is not prime. So we can go for what? We can go for 17 square 289, or 18 square you can go. So if we go for 18 square, then we have to check 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We have to check with 13. We have to check with 17. Yes. Not even. Is it divisible by 3? No. The sum is what? 20. Not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. What about 7? Is it divisible by 7, guys? 299. If you remove off 210, you'll be left with 89. Is 89 divisible by 7? No. This is also out. What about 11? 11 minus 9 is 2, not divisible again. Yes, 299 is not divisible by 11. Yeah. From 299, if you remove off, you can remove off 220, you'll be left with what? 79, not divisible. Is it divisible by 13 though? 13, yes it is. 299 can be written as 260 plus 39. 260 is divisible by 13, 39 is divisible by 13, so 13 is the culprit, composite. Yes, super. Yeah. Check with 423 and 7001. This would be your homework. Okay. Shall we move on? Chaliye, next. Quickly try this question. Yes, Suraj. Yeah. Super, Bhagyashri. Very good, Sahil. Chalo wo jane do. Try that later at home. Try this. They're asking what is the average of the first 7 prime numbers. What is the average of first 7 prime numbers? Chinta says B. Okay. How about others? Very good. Tirupati, Super, Bhagyashri, Shruti, B is the right answer. Beautiful. So what are the first 7 prime numbers, guys? 1? No, 1 is not prime. Hai na? So we have 2, 3, 5, 7. Again, common mistake is including 9. 9 is not prime. We have 11, 13 and 17. 2, 4, 6, 7 numbers. So if I add them up, and divide by 7. This is what we have to do, right? Because there are 7 numbers, we need to divide by 7 to check. What will be the sum? We have 8, 15, 26, 39, 41, 58. So 58 by 7 is 8 times 56. 2 by 7 is 0.285714. Closest answer is B. Superb. Very good, guys. Yes, Suraj. This happens very commonly. We, in a flow, when we go 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, odd numbers and prime numbers, we get confused. Okay. So avoid doing that. Next, try this question. They're saying how many integers x, where x is greater than 2 but less than 20, are the sum of two different prime numbers. Yes, we need to find out if they would be sum of two different prime numbers. Okay, quickly try this. Yes, Suyash, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Same time, 4 p.m. on. Alright guys, sorry it got stuck. थोड़ा सा buffering issue हो रहा है. Darshit says 6 numbers. Bhagyashri says 8 numbers. Okay. Anyone else? Chalo, so here it's we simply just have to look at 17 numbers. 3 se leke 19 tak is all the numbers we have to check. So let's write it down. For example, 3. Can I write 3 as sum of two prime numbers? 3 is 1 plus 2, but 1 is not prime. 1 plus 2, 1 is not prime, so 3 is out. How about 4? Although 4 is 2 plus 2, but what's the problem? 2 and 2 are prime, but they have to be different. So 4 is also out. How about 5? 5 can be written as 2 plus 3. So 5 is accepted. Yes. Next, 6. 3 plus 3 not accepted. Same numbers nahi ho sakte. 2 plus 4, 1 plus 5, no. 6 is out. How about 7? 1 to jane do. 2 and 5, yes. So 7 will be accepted. How about 8? 3 and 5, yes. How about 9? 2 and 7, yes. Are you getting this, guys? How about 10? Oh, sorry, how many even integers? Huh? Sorry, guys. My bad. I didn't read the question carefully. How many even integers? Yes. So we only have to go for even integers. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. These are the only numbers that we need. Okay. So 4 is 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3, not accepted. 6 is 1 plus 5, no. 2 plus 4, no. 3 plus 3, not accepted. 8 is 3 plus 5, accepted. 10 is 3 plus 7, accepted. Yeah. How about 12? Will 12 be accepted, guys? 12. 111, no. 210, no. 39, 4, 8, 5 and 7. Accepted. What about 14? What about 14, guys? 14 accepted hai? 14. 113, 1 is not. 212, 3 and 5, 3 and 11. So 14 is accepted. How about 16? 3 and 13 accepted. How about 18? 3 and 15? Nahi. 5 and 13. Yes, so 5 plus 13. Accept. These are the only numbers. Correct? These are the only numbers. So we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers alone. People who've been saying 8, Chinta, Spark, 8 nahi. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 not included, 2 not included. Okay? Got it? So people who said 8 numbers, please check. 8 is not the answer, 6 is the one. Cool, guys, everybody? Say yes so that we can move on. Okay, next. Try the next question. So what they're saying is there is a series of prime numbers that starts with n. First number of the series is n, and the number of terms is also n. Number of terms जो है वो भी n है. So there are n terms in this. Yeah, they're saying which one of the following could not be the value of the last number in the series. Last number in the series क्या नहीं हो सकता है? This is what the question is. Okay. So Darshit, Shruti and Sahil are saying 7. Yeah. So what can we do? Let's quickly check. Okay. For example, if we start with 2, if we start the series with 2, then there should only be 2 numbers. If n is equal to 2, then we should only have 2 and 3. Yes, if n is equal to 3, then we should only have 2, 3 and 5. If n is equal to 5, then we would have 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So there's no chance that 7 could be the last number in this series. This is our answer. Okay, don't have to try for other numbers. You don't have to try for 17 or 29 or 31 because 7 worked out just fine. Okay, done. Next, try this out. The sum of 4 consecutive integers is 210. They're saying which one of the 4 integers is prime. Sum of 4 consecutive integers is 210. Okay. Which one of the 4 numbers is prime is the question. Let's see if we can answer this. There are 4 numbers. Let's say A, B, C and D. They're saying their sum, they are consecutive and their sum is 210. They're asking which of the 4 numbers could be prime. 103, Darshit. 103 is a big number, no? No, Sahil, last one नहीं. What will be that number? Last number तो ठीक है, उसका value क्या है? Sahil says 53. So how would you answer this? If I say this is A, then since this is consecutive integer, can I say A plus 1? Yeah, sorry guys. So the first number is 51, we figured out. The first number is 51. So the next number will be 52, 53 and 54. Yes. Out of these, which are prime, they are asking. We know even numbers cannot be prime except for 2. So these two are out. 51 is not a prime number. Guys, जिन्होंने 51 बोला है, Shruti, Tirupati, 51 is not a prime number. 51 is divisible by 3. Yes. 51 is divisible by 3 17 times. 51 is divisible by 3 and 17. So 51 is also not prime. The answer is 53. Got it? Cool, guys. Shall we move on? Oh yeah, sorry. It should start from the same number. Yes. I skipped that part. Yeah, so it should start with 3. So 3, 5, 3, 5, 7. 7 can be the answer, guys. 7 can be the last digit. No, 7 is not the answer. So with 5, it should start with 5. So we have 5, 7, 11, 13, and then 17. So 7 is possible, 17 is also possible. Thank you, Chinta. Thank you for bringing this to notice. It should be the first number in the series. N ka value jo bhi hai has to be the first number in the series. So when we go n equal to 7, start with 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Then we have 23, we have 3 6 numbers, and 29. So 29 is also possible. Our answer must be 31 for this. Okay. So if we try for the next number, let's say n equal to 11, what happens? We start with 11 and then we go 11 numbers from there. So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. So 2, 4, 6, 8. See how we crossed 37 already. 37, then we have 41, 43. So we've already crossed. Yes, so 31 cannot be the answer. 31 cannot be the last digit. Okay, all three are possible. Okay, guys, the previous question, this one, the deal is the first number should be n. First number is n if n is the first number. Okay. Thank you, Chinta. Cool. Okay, next we're going to move on to divisibility rules. SparkThug, you can use any book. SparkThug, anything that has quantitative aptitude in it, you can use. You can go for Arun Sharma's book, you can go for Quantum CAT, you can go for Nishit Sinha, you can go for R.S. Agarwal also if you want to. Okay, it's up to you. Done? Okay, now we are moving to divisibility rules. So what happens under divisibility rules? If a number is divisible by that or not. So first we are taking powers of 2. With any power of 2, the deal is last few numbers. Okay. So a number divisible by 2 will have the last one digit divisible by 2. Yeah. How much ever big the number is, if the last digit is divisible by 2, then automatically every other number is divisible by 2. The entire number is divisible by 2. So with 4 what happens? It becomes last 2 digits. 4 में क्या हो जाता है? Last के 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Yes. With 8, last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. With 16, last 4 digits must be divisible by 16. Yeah. So for example, if I give you a number like 1934, is it divisible by 16 or not? Is this number divisible by 16 or not? It becomes very irritating, है ना? This becomes very irritating to check, क्योंकि 16 का रूल क्या है? Last 4 digits, but digit ही 4 digit number है. Yeah. So what happens here? हाँ सूरज, yes, 2 का power. So here a number that is divisible by 16 is automatically divisible by 4, correct? अगर कोई नंबर 16 से divisible है, वो automatically 4 से भी divisible है. तो is this number divisible by 4? 34 से end हो रहा है, क्या ये 4 से divisible है? नहीं है. तो अगर ये 4 से divisible नहीं है, तो ये 16 से भी divisible नहीं है. Okay? Now to make a small change here, what about 1932? Is this divisible by 16? बताओ जल्दी से. क्या ये नंबर divisible by 16 है? Is it divisible by 16? तो क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? इधर चेक डायरेक्टली फॉर 16 या बाई 4 या बाई 8. यस, तो 8 का क्या है? लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स. 932 बाई 8 डिविजिबल और नॉट चेक करो. डेफिनेटली नॉट. वाई? 932 क्या है? 932 कैन बी रिटन एज 800 प्लस 100 प्लस 32 बाई 8. 800 by 8 divisible, 32 by 8 divisible, 100 is not divisible by 8, है ना? 100 जो है वो 8 से divisible नहीं है. 96 है, 104 है, 100 नहीं है. तो अगर 8 से नहीं है divisible तो automatically 16 से भी नहीं divisible. ठीक है? क्लियर है? आ रहा है समझ में आप लोगों को गाइस? बढ़िया. तो all the powers of 2, ये 2 power 1 इसलिए last 1 digit, 2 power 2 last 2 digits, 2 power 3 last 3 digits, 2 power 4 last 4 digits. ठीक है? डन. नेक्स्ट लेट्स गो फॉर 3. सो 3 का क्या सीन है? 3 का सीन है डिजिटल सम. जो डिजिट्स है उन्हें ऐड करेंगे. डिजिटल सम शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 3. So take any number, let's say 375 I take. Is 375 divisible by 3? कैसे चेक करेंगे? By adding up 3 plus 7 plus 5. This is equal to 15. अगर 15 3 से divisible है तो 375 भी 3 से divisible है. Got it? और ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप इंडिविजुअल डिजिट्स ही ऐड करें, आप इन्हें कैसे भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. You can add it as 37 plus 5. 42 is divisible by 3, so this is also divisible by 3. You can add it as 3 plus 75 also. 3 plus 75 is 78, which is 81 minus 3, so divisible by 3. कैसे भी आप उसे तोड़ मरोड़ कर सकते हो. You can change the order also if you want. ठीक है? Same thing with 9. 9 का क्या है? Digital sum should be divisible by 9. Yes, any number if you want to check if that number is divisible by 9 or not. For example, if I want to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this number divisible by 8? Is this number divisible by 9, guys? 12,345,678, क्या ये 9 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं? यस और नो, टेल मी गाइस. Anybody? Sahil says yes. So what is this? 9 का क्या divisibility rule है? Check if the sum, right? तो इसका sum निकालेंगे. हमें पता है that if I want to add this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, what do I have to do? I simply have to do n into n plus 1 by 2, correct? n into n plus 1 by 2. Yes, so n यहाँ पे 8 है. 8 into 9 by 2 is how much? 36. Is 36 divisible by 9? Yes, that means this is also divisible by 9. Say yes if you got this. Add कर लो, manually add करना, manually add कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So look at this, group करके भी देख सकते हो, group करके देख लो. 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 7, 9, 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 5, 9. आया समझ में? 1 और 8 9 है, 2 और 7 9 है, 3 और 6 9 है, 4 और 5 9 है. इनका सम इंडिविजुअल सम 9 है, तो टोटल सम 9 into 4 36, divisible by 9. Yes it is. Okay, if you are comfortable with this, n into n plus 1 by 2 वो कर लो, या फिर इंडिविजुअली कर लो, ऐड कर लो. ठीक है. Now with 27 the problem is कि again digital sum divisible by 27 not necessary, है ना. डिजिटल सम डिविजिबल बाय 27 जरूरी नहीं है कि वो 27 का मल्टीपल हो, राइट. तो ऐसे केसेस में क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से 200 and चलो 252. okay, we take a number like 252 and check if it is divisible by 27 or not. तो अभी 2 plus 5 plus 2 करेंगे तो बहुत छोटा नंबर हो गया. yes or no? 2 plus 5 plus 2 जब करेंगे तब तो वो बहुत छोटा नंबर हो गया. एग्रीड? yes. so 252 नहीं, इसे अगर ऐसे करेंगे 25 plus 2, तो ये तो 27 दे रहा है. 25 plus 2 करेंगे 27 दे रहा है. 27 is divisible by 27. But 252 is actually not divisible by 27. Correct? क्योंकि 252 क्या है? 252 is 270 minus 18. 270 is divisible by 27, but 18 is not. So this is not divisible by 27. So for 27, what you can do is first divide the number by 3, then check if it is divisible by 9. Okay? So 252 है, इसे पहले 3 से divide करेंगे अपन. Yes, which will give us what? 8 times 24 and 4 times. So 84 by 9. Is it divisible by 9? क्या 84 9 से divisible है guys? नहीं. That means 252 is not divisible by 7. आया समझ में? 252 जो है वो 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, 9 से भी डिविजिबल है, बट 27 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. तो 3 और 9 तक ओके. बियॉन्ड दैट 27 81 अगर ये करना है तो क्या करोगे? इंडिविजुअल डिवाइड करके देख लो. पहले 3 से डिवाइड कर लो. 252 by 3 is 84. 84 क्या 9 से डिविजिबल है? नहीं है. 81 है, देन 90 है, 84 नहीं है. तो अगर 9 से नहीं डिविजिबल है तो 27 से नहीं डिविजिबल है. दैट्स इट. बढ़िया, डन ना. अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेट 5 and 10. बहुत इजी. 5 का क्या रूल है कि लास्ट डिजिट जो है मस्ट ईदर बी 0 और 5. या तो 0 होना चाहिए या 5 होना चाहिए. और 10 का क्या है? लास्ट डिजिट मस्ट बी 0, है ना, सिंपल। 5 और 10 का बहुत ही सिंपल। नेक्स्ट, नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर सम ऑकवर्ड प्राइम नंबर्स। यस, 2 का, 3 का, 5 का समझ में आ गया, बट बाकी के जो नंबर्स है 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, इसके भी अलग अलग रूल्स हैं, बट इनके रूल्स काफी इरिटेटिंग है। यस, इनके जो रूल्स है वो काफी इरिटेटिंग है। जैसे अगर मैं कोई नंबर लेता हूं, लेट्स से 2401, अब मेरे को चेक करना है कि 2401 7 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है ना, 2401 7 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है वो चेक करना है। इसका एक्चुअल रूल क्या है पता है? 7 का एक्चुअल रूल है कि आप लास्ट डिजिट लो, उसे डबल करो, 1 को आप डबल करो, क्या मिलेगा आपको? 2। इसे आप 240 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो। यस, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 238। 238 में वापस 8 को लो, 8 को डबल करो, 16 मिलेगा। 23 से आप 16 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, 7। ये छोटा नंबर में तो ठीक है, कोई बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा नंबर आ गया तो अटक जाएंगे, है ना। Same as with 13, 19, all the cases, right? So instead what we are going to do is we are going to go for splitting method. For these kind of numbers, use splitting method. क्या करेंगे? 2401 को we will write it as 2100. तो 2401 में से 2100 निकाल लिया, कितना बचा? 301 बचा। 301 can be written as what? 301 can be written as 280 plus 20, बराबर। कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स का इसके बाद देखेंगे। यस, 6, 9, 12, 15 इसके बाद देखेंगे वो। ओके, समझ में आ रहा है गाइस? स्प्लिटिंग 2401 को मैंने ऐसे स्प्लिट कर दिया, 2100, 280, 21। अभी 7 से अगर अपन देखेंगे तो 2100 डिविजिबल है, 280 भी डिविजिबल है, 21 भी डिविजिबल है, मतलब ये डिविजिबल। आया समझ में? यस, even if you take for some number like 13, let's say for 13 we are taking 4016, क्या ये 13 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है? Is this divisible by 13 or not? चेक करेंगे तो दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा, राइट? सो इंस्टेड व्हाट वी विल डू, स्प्लिट करो इसे। हमें पता है 13 3 times 39 है, सो दिस इज 3900 प्लस, आ रहा है समझ में? 3900 प्लस व्हाट? 16 and 100. यस, सो 100 या 116 लिख लो, चलो ठीक, बाय 13। Are you guys able to feel this, guys? आ रहा है समझ में? तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा? 3900 इज डिविजिबल बाय 13। 116 है क्या? 116 भी अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो 116 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 130 माइनस 14, है ना? 130 माइनस 14। यस, आ रहा है समझ में? तो 130 तो 13 से डिविजिबल है भाई, बट 14 है क्या? नहीं, 13 है। यस, सो इफ दिस इज नॉट डिविजिबल, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट डिविजिबल। जहां मौका मिले स्प्लिट करके चेक कर लो, बाकी इनका जो प्रॉपर्टी है, इनका जो रूल है वो काफी इरिटेटिंग है। ओके, 11 का थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्टेबल है। 11 का जो एक रूल है, दूसरा वाला रूल, वो थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्टेबल है, ऑल्टरनेट सम। यस, इफ यू टेक एनी नंबर, लेट्स से इफ यू टेक 4, 5, 6, 5, ठीक है, आप कोई नंबर ले रहे हो 4, 5, 6, 5। अब ये चेक करना है कि क्या ये 11 से डिविजिबल है नहीं है। अब क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट टेक द ऑड पोजीशंस, ये दो ऑड पोजीशन में है, इन्हें ऐड करो। 4 plus 6 is 10. Then take the numbers in even positions. 5 plus 5 is also 10. अगर उनका जो डिफरेंस है वो 0 हो जाए, उनका डिफरेंस 0 या 11 हो जाए तो वो डिविजिबल बाय 11 है। ठीक है, 11 का ही है सूरज, 11 का है ये रूल। ऑड पोजीशंस को ऐड कर लो, इवन पोजीशंस को ऐड कर लो, फिर उन्हें उनका डिफरेंस निकालो। अगर 0 या 11 आ गया तो वो 11 से डिविजिबल। ठीक है, बट इसमें भी क्या, इसमें भी आप स्प्लिटिंग कर सकते हो। यस, 4565 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 4400 अलग से, बाकी 165 बचा, 165 में से 110 अलग से, 55 अलग से, हो गया खत्म। तो 4400 is divisible by 11, of course, 110 is divisible by 11 of course, and 55 is also divisible by 11, मतलब ये 11 से divisible। तो ऑड पोजीशंस इवन पोजीशंस ऐड करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का कॉन्सेप्ट भी ओके है, अदरवाइज स्प्लिटिंग ऑल्सो वर्क्स। ठीक है, आई होप ये चीजें आपको समझ में आ रही है गाइस। ओके, सो दीज आर फॉर ऑकवर्ड प्राइम नंबर्स, ऐसे वाले जो प्राइम नंबर्स हैं, जैसे 23 हो गया, 29 हो गया, 31 हो गया, कैसे चेक करेंगे, हर एक का अलग अलग टाइप का रूल है, सब याद नहीं रहेगा और सब यूजफुल भी नहीं। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स। यस, ये क्या है, कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स। कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स का क्या सीन है, काफी सिंपल। यस, 6 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 into 3। 6 क्या है, 2 into 3। तो अगर कोई नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है और 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली 6 से डिविजिबल है, हाँ या ना? यस और नो गाइस? फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेक 396, क्या ये 6 से डिविजिबल है? कैसे? लास्ट डिजिट इवन है, 2 से डिविजिबल, 3 + 9 + 6 18, 3 से डिविजिबल, 6 से डिविजिबल, बढ़िया। What about 10 guys? 10 का क्या सीन होगा? Can anybody tell for 10? 10 का बताओ। लास्ट डिजिट 0 अपन ने देख लिया, 2 into 5 ऑल्सो, इधर विच वेज। 5 में क्या ऑप्शंस है? 5 में सिर्फ 0 या 5 हो सकता है, 2 में सिर्फ इवन नंबर्स हो सकता है, तो ओनली थिंग लेफ्ट इज 0, है ना? व्हाट अबाउट 12? 12 का क्या होगा? 2 into 6, करेक्ट गाइस? 12 का क्या होगा? 2 into 6, है ना? Not 2 into 6. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 6 का प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जैसे कोई नंबर है 54, यस, क्या 54 12 से डिविजिबल है? Is 54 divisible by 12? No, it is not. Although it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 6, but it's not divisible by 12. Yeah, not prime. Prime होना जरूरी नहीं है, not prime, but they should be co-primes. 3 into 4. Co-primes होना चाहिए। Co-primes का क्या मतलब है कि इनके बीच का जो कॉमन फैक्टर है, 3 और 4 के बीच का जो कॉमन फैक्टर है वो सिर्फ 1 ही रहेगा। 2 और 6 में क्या प्रॉब्लम है पता है? 2 और 6 में ऑल नंबर्स डिविजिबल बाय 6 आर ऑटोमेटिकली डिविजिबल बाय 2 ना, क्योंकि 6 भी एक इवन नंबर है, तो 2 और 6 काम नहीं आता है। ठीक है, इट ऑलवेज हैज टू बी को प्राइम्स। यस, 14 के लिए 2 into 7, 15 के लिए 3 into 5, 18 के लिए 2 into 9, 20 के लिए 4 into 5, है ना? यस साहिल, यस। सो कोप्राइम नंबर्स जो होते हैं, कोप्राइम्स आर नंबर्स जिनका HCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर 1 है और लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल जो है वो उनका प्रोडक्ट है, उन्हें कहते हैं अपन कोप्राइम्स। ओके, चलो अब थोड़े क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करेंगे, एग्जांपल क्वेश्चंस। यस, I'll tell you what to do here. यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? Look at a number and find out what are the factors of it. जैसे 36 है तो 36 के क्या क्या फैक्टर्स है? 36 2 से डिविजिबल है, 3 से यस, 4 से यस, 5 से नहीं, 6 से यस, 7 से नहीं, 8 से नहीं, 9 से यस, 11 से नहीं। ठीक है, तो कैन यू टेल मी ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 268? जल्दी से क्विकली टेल मी ऑल द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 268, क्विक. Right, Chinta, superb. Try for 268 now. Chinta says 2, 4 and 7. Okay, so last digit 8 divisible by 2. Sum 2 plus 6 plus 8 is 16, not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 4? 68, yes it is. 60 plus 8 divisible by 4. Divisible by 5? No. Divisible by 6 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि 3 से divisible नहीं है. Divisible by 7, how do you check? 268, you can check it as 210 plus 58. Correct? So 210 plus 58, ये 7 से, this is divisible, this is not. 56 is. So 7 से भी नहीं. 8 से 268 पूरा लेना है. 268. So 268, 8 से चेक कर रहे हैं. इसे अपन कैसे लिखेंगे? 240 plus 28. 240 by 8, yes. 28 by 8, no. So no. अगर 3 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो 9 से भी डिविजिबल नहीं है. 11 के लिए कैसे चेक करेंगे? 2 plus 8, 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Not divisible. So the only numbers that can divide 268 is 2 and 4. Clear? Last one, try for 4, 5, 1, 8 guys. ये दो homework है. These two are homework. Try for 4, 5, 1, 8. जल्दी. Chinta says 2, 3, 6 and 9. Okay. So last digit 8, even, yes. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9, yes. 18 is not divisible by 4, no. Last digit is not 0 or 5, no. 2 and 3 से divisible है तो 6 से, yes. 7, 4, 5, 1, 8 with 7. So what can we do? 4, 5, 1, 8 को check करना है. 7 से divisible है नहीं है. So 4200 निकाल दिया. We are left with 318. उसमें से 280 निकाल लो. 318 में से 280 निकाल लिया. बाकी क्या बचा? 38. Check with 7. 4200, yes. 280, yes. 38 नहीं. 35 या 42, yes. So 7 से नहीं. अगर 4 से divisible नहीं है, if a number is not divisible by 4, automatically it's not divisible by 8. Is it divisible by 9? Yes it is. How is it divisible by 9? We just checked. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. Is it divisible by 11? Check guys, is it divisible by 11? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. ठीक है, clear? So 2, 3, 6 and 9. Done? Cool guys. The rest of it, 3, 6, 1, 9 and 45,000, you can try it at home. Okay. Next. Try this out. Try this question guys. No Bhagyashree. 3619 is divisible by 7 also. 3500 plus 70 plus 49. Please check, Bhagyashri. 3619 divisible by 7. Okay, leave that. Try this out, guys. Chinta says 2. Any other answers? So what are they saying? This is a number, okay? This is a 6-digit number. एक 6-digit number है, which is divisible by 33. They're saying. Sahil and Shruti are also saying 2. Very good. So this number is divisible by 33. 33 क्या है? Co-prime numbers 3 and 11. So check with 3, check with 11. We'll have the answer. Yes. So 3 से कैसे check करेंगे? Sum of the digits. Yeah. 3 plus 6 is 9. Gone. 4 plus 2 is 6, gone. 1 plus x should be divisible by 3. Technically 1 plus x जो है वो divisible by 3 होना चाहिए. तो इस केस में x के क्या क्या वैल्यूज हो सकते हैं? x could be 2, x could be 5, x could be 8. करेक्ट? Yes or no? x का जो वैल्यू है 2, 5, 8 कुछ भी हो सकता है according to 3. Now to confirm, let's go with 11. 11 का क्या सीन है? Even positions, odd positions का difference, correct? So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 9. Same way, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 plus 1 plus x. This should also be 9 or it should be 20. कोई एक होना चाहिए. It should either be 9 or it should be 20. Only then we will have what? The difference to be 0, correct? Only then we'll have the difference to be 0. Do you agree, guys? So this is, if it is 0, then x will be what? 7. X will be, x minus 2 will be 0. X will be 2. What if it is 20? What if the sum is 20? कोई बड़ा number है 20. X 1 digit, single digit से बड़ा हो जाता है. Yes or no? X will become beyond single digit number. Do you agree, guys? X becomes 13. So 13 तो काम नहीं करेगा. 13 is no use क्योंकि X is not a 2-digit number. X has to be what? 2 only. Clear? Cool, guys. Let's try the next one. जल्दी से क्वेश्चन को पढ़िए एंड अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, ओके? Sahil and Chinta are saying 19. Superb. 19 is the right answer. So what is the question saying? It's saying that there are 87,191 rings in total, and they're saying that they are of different designs in groups में different designs, but they're all equal number of rings. Yes, what does this mean? अगर for example let's say if there are 3 designs, अगर 3 designs है तो 87,191 रिंग्स को 3 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, ए, डिजाइन बी, डिजाइन सी, एंड द नंबर ऑफ रिंग्स विल बी इक्वल इन ऑल द डिजाइंस. यस, so in other words they are basically asking कि 87,191 इनमें से कौन से नंबर से डिविजिबल है. This is all that we have to find out, right? So quickly check if is it divisible by 7. 87,191, is it divisible by 7? How do you check? 87,191 by 7. Yes, so first you can remove off 77,000 out of this. 77,000 को निकाल लो. You will be left with what? Yeah, even better, 84,000 को निकाल लो. You remove off 84,000. Yes, so 84,000, 84 is divisible by 7, है ना? 70 plus 14. So what is left? 3,000. 3,000 में से 2,800 रखो. 200. What about 191? What about 191, guys? 191 can be split as 70 या फिर 140 and 51, right? 140 and 51. So what is happening? Divisible, divisible, not divisible, not divisible. This is divisible. Even if you take 251, even if you take 251, is it divisible by 7? No. 210 plus 41, not divisible, so not by 7. Is it divisible by 9, guys? Is it divisible by 9? Check the sum. So 8 plus 7 is 50, or you can do it like this. 8 plus 1, 9. So remove that, remove the 9, you have 7 plus 1, 8. Not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 9, it is not divisible by 3 also, because 69 is basically what? 3 into 13. No, sorry, 3 into 23. Yes, so this is also gone. Only number left is 19, has to be. Okay. For 19, if you want to split and check, it's up to you, but otherwise you don't really need to. Okay. Done, guys. Next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5 or 9? Quickly try this. Anybody? How many 3-digit numbers divisible by 5 or 9? Okay, STC is saying D. All right. How about others? Himanshu is saying 280. Okay. So when they say or, what happens is, if you go, okay, chalo, pehle first let's start with 5. Okay, let's first start with 5. So how many, sorry guys, buffer ho raha tha. So 999 minus 100 is 899 plus 1 is 900. So there are 900 numbers between that. ठीक है? Understood? इफ आई गिव यू एनी रेंज, मैं आपको कोई भी रेंज देता हूं कि 245 एंड 371 के बीच में हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर, हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट? हाउ मेनी नंबर्स लाई बिटवीन 245 एंड 371 बोथ इंक्लूडेड? कैसे ढूंढोगे? Subtract them. 371 minus 245, 37 minus 24 is 7. This will be 66, correct? 66 plus 1, there are 67 numbers between them. समझ में आ रहा है? Subtract them and then add 1, okay? Okay, this won't be 60. No, it will be 130, 126, huh? Sorry. 126 plus 1, 127 number. Okay? Just explaining how. So, first number, last number ka difference plus 1. Last number minus first number plus 1 will give you the number of terms including the digits. Okay? So, anyway, there are 900 numbers. First, let's check with 5. So 900 numbers by 5, we will have how many numbers divisible? 180 numbers. Agreed? What about 9? How many numbers will be divisible by 9? 900 by 9. We will have 100 numbers that are divisible by 9. Yes. So 180 plus 100, 280. Yeah. But there's a small problem here. What's the problem? This is 280 numbers. Okay. But there are some numbers that fall in both the cases. Yes or no? There are some numbers that fall in both the cases. For example, 900 is divisible by 5 also and 9 also. So 900 को आपने यहाँ पे भी count किया, यहाँ पे भी count किया. Yes, it's common. You've used 900 here also, here also. For example, 450. 450 को आपने इधर भी काउंट किया, इधर भी काउंट किया, तो ये तो डुप्लीकेट्स हो गए ना. Yes, so this is just like set theory. Numbers divisible by 5, numbers divisible by 9, numbers divisible by both 5 and 9. 5 and 9 मतलब क्या? 45 numbers divisible by 45, correct? LCM. तो ऐसे cases में क्या करोगे? You take the LCM of the two given numbers, which is 45, and then you check how many numbers are divisible by 45. So in 900, there are 20 numbers divisible by 45. Yes. So finally, you have 280 minus 20, because 20 को आपने इधर भी गिन लिया, इधर भी गिन लिया, एक जगह पे आप रिमूव कर रहे हो. So answer is what? 260 numbers. Got it? So people who said 280 or 180, I hope this is clear for you all. Yes? Good question. Superb. Done? One last question. Quickly try this. In fact, let's do one thing, guys. Try this question. We will discuss this question today at 6 p.m. Okay? 6 p.m. special class. It is on the app and it is a free class only. You don't have to pay for it. Free classes hai ye. We'll be doing practice plus this question. I'll be sharing the link on the Telegram group, Surana Live CAT. Don't forget to join in, okay? Yes. Chalo, we'll end this session now. Don't forget to join at 6 p.m. guys, okay? 6 बजे आधा घंटा आपके पास to take a rest, then come back. if you're preparing for CAT 24, there's a weekend evening batch that has started on the 16th of April. You can join this. This is the price for Plus subscription. If you use my code Surana Live, you'll get a 10% discount. Unacademy is now also providing study material. This is especially for people who are Iconic members. Yes, and if you are a Plus member, then you have to go for study material upgradation. Okay. This is the price for Iconic. इसमें आपको study material भी मिलेगा. You can use this code Surana Live for 10% discount. Okay. हिमांशु ऐप पे है, अनअकैडमी के ऐप पे है 6 बजे वाला क्लास. उसका लिंक मैं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में भी शेयर करूंगा 5 मिनट में. आप उसके थ्रू ज्वाइन कर लेना. ठीक है. 4 दिन का वर्कशॉप है ऑन April 20 at 12:30 PM and 24th को टेस्ट है which is 66 questions and 120 minutes. If you attend both workshop as well as the test, you get a chance to win these and a chance to get 100% scholarship. Yeah. And अगर आप कोई प्रैक्टिस करते हो और आपको डाउट आ जाता है तो आप डाउट्स फ्री में अपने ऐप पे या वेबसाइट पे अपलोड करके पूछ सकते हो. एक साथ में 3 डाउट्स पूछ सकते हो. अपने प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज में सोल्यूशन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो और रिव्यू भी करा सकते हो अपने सोल्यूशन को. ओके. हिमांशु, यस, आईपी मैट का प्रिपरेशन, यस, syllabus is give or take the same only, so yeah. Okay. 12:30 to what? The test 2 घंटे का टेस्ट है, 120 minutes. 12:30 to 2:30. Okay, सूरज. राइट हिमांशु, सुपर. तो आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन. ओके. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. आई विल सी यू ऑल एट 6 PM. ओके, 6 बजे को आ जाना. यस, कीप लर्निंग, लेट्स क्रैक इट.